Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a PDF to your Android home screen, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more useful tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Files app or your preferred file explorer on your Android device. If you're not sure where to find it, you can search for Files in your app drawer. Step 2. Locate the PDF file you want to add to your home screen. Once you've found it, tap to open the file. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the three-dot menu. This will bring up a list of options. Step 4. From the menu, select the Send File or Share option. The exact wording might vary depending on your device or File Explorer app. Step 5. In the Share menu, select Drive. That's Google Drive. This will upload your PDF to your Google Drive account. Step 6. If you'd like, you can rename the file or choose a specific folder in Google Drive to save it. This step is optional, but it's helpful if you want to keep things organized. Step 7. Tap Save to upload the file to Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, you're ready for the next part. Step 8. Open the Google Drive app on your Android device. If you don't see the file right away, you might need to refresh the app by swiping down on the screen. Step 9. Locate the uploaded PDF file in Google Drive and tap to open it. Step 10. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen again. This will open another list of options. Step 11. Select Make Available Offline. This step downloads the file to your device, ensuring it's accessible even without an internet connection. Step 12. Tap the three-dot menu once more, scroll down to the bottom, and select Add to Home Screen. Step 13. When prompted, tap Add to Home Screen again to create the shortcut on your home screen. And that's it. Now you'll see the PDF file as a shortcut right on your home screen, ready to open with just one tap. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.